Hey there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and usually I'm here with an Excel spreadsheet tip or trick or an Excel template demonstration going over one of the templates that we have here at Time Saving Templates. But today is a little bit different. I wanted to get your opinion and take a poll on something I'm working on, and I also wanted to get you a sneak peek on two new templates that we're going to be releasing soon in the next couple of weeks. So let me give you the sneak peek first. So I'll do the sneak peek first. Hopefully you can see this. This is will give you a little hint as to the two new templates that are going to be released. Now they're both going to be in the human resources section of the Time Saving Templates website. And you'll see if you go to, well, I'll obviously link to it, but at timesavingtemplates.com, if you go to shop, you'll see I have different categories, mostly HR, rental property management, and then some of the business categories. So both of these templates are going to be in the HR section, and I'll give you another hint. One is going to be compensation related, which is my background, but it's going to be a specific comp structure. And then the second template is not going to be compensation related, but more it's something HR related that HR would be tracking, typically on a 12-month calendar basis. And so that's all I can say about that for now, but definitely stay tuned and check back. And if you want to be notified when the templates are ready, you can also sign up to the email list and you'll get a notification. And I will link to that as well, but it will be, if you go to timesavingtemplates.com/free resources, you can, by downloading any of the free templates, you'll be signing up for the email list. There's also a discount code on the homepage. That's another way to sign up. But if you sign up for the comp metrics cheat sheet, that tells me you're interested in the HR templates, and then I'll know you'll be tagged in my system to notify you when the new templates are released. So if you want to keep up with when those new templates come out, then definitely sign up for that free cheat sheet. And something else, if you notice this little star here at the top, there's also going to be a new bundle package deal that I'm releasing with the two templates. So right now we only have a few smaller bundles, but this new bundle is going to include every single HR template that we have listed at Time Saving Templates. The biggest package I have is 7 templates, but you'll see we have a lot more templates here. These are all the HR templates. So the new package is just going to include everything, and that will also save you time versus having to click into each template and add to cart, enter selections. It's just going to be one package. You get access to everything. And one other clue, or not really a clue since I already told you what the package is, but with the package bundle, it's a little bit different because when you buy an individual template right now at Time Saving Templates, you will get an email with automatically, in most cases it's automatic, you get an email with the template Excel file and PDF directions attached. But when you get the full bundle, you'll be able to log in and then view the different sections so here's another sneak peek for you of the bundle and everything that's included. But you'll be able to log in, and then there will be different sections that you can click on, and then you can just always log in and download what you need as you need it. You don't have to have everything downloaded right away. You can come and download it as different projects come up. So there are 6 sections that all of the HR templates fall into. It's going to be the base pay, spreadsheets, programs, salary ranges, merit increases. I'm going to change this to incentive because we also have a stock file that goes with, so compensation incentives. So with the all access bundle, it will also contain like every version. So a lot of times there's a basic or upgraded version as things change and get upgraded, and that will be, you will get access to everything. And retention will have a lot, and then HR tracking and admin. So that is a little sneak peek of how it's going to look, but we are still getting everything prepared so that when you log in, you just have access to everything. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I did want your opinion on something to do with the bundle. So my question for you is, what would you rather have as part of that package bundle? What would you rather have as a bonus if you're getting all of the HR templates that we have? Would you rather have 12 months of access to all the new templates, or access to all new updates for 12 months? Or would you rather have one customization to an existing template? So, and I can give you some examples of customizations we've done in the past. But the one customization is, it could be anything from getting the template to work for your situation, basically. Sometimes there's little tweaks and changes. Sometimes there's bigger changes than others. But I'm trying to keep it simple. So I'm just saying, if it's one customization, could be to an existing template, would be, it could be something like the total reward statement that we have. It could be making edits to the statement to maybe remove certain fields in here that aren't being used, or add different types of plans or different benefits that you want to show. It could be an edit to that to get this to match exactly what you want. Another type of customization could be the variable compensation worksheet. So right now we have this template is set up to work with, it's plug and play. So by salary band, you're saying that their bonus target is weighted on corporate financial results and individual weighting. So this would add up to 100%, and then how they did on, their individual performance, how the company financial results. And I have videos that go over how to use this template, but just for the sake of time, you could add a third weight if you wanted business unit to be included in the weighting calculation of the bonus. That would be an example of a customization. And so back to my poll. So that is what I'd like to know. Feel free, please, to comment with your thoughts, or you can just reply to the email and let me know what would be more valuable for you to have, that 12 months and you're getting new templates, or you're getting a specific customization to one of the templates that is already in the package, which we have a lot already. So let me know, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you would prefer. That would help me out as I'm planning schedules and planning how much resources we need to add this into the package bundle. And don't forget, sign up for the Compmetrics cheat sheet if you want to be notified when all of that is ready. I will post the link to it and send out an update here. Till next time, don't forget, I am here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to using Excel spreadsheets.